Hi y'all, and welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl Stokes, and today I've got some fresh tomatoes our neighbor brought us, and we also had a few from some tomato plants we had. So today I'm going to show you how to make a tomato basil soup. So before we begin, please consider subscribing and press that bell notification so you'll know when the next video is available. And be sure to give us a like if you like our videos. And we always appreciate your comments and love to hear from you. So the first thing with fresh tomatoes is you need to be able to peel them in order to make a sauce, or in our case a soup. And I'm going to be making that soup in our Deluxe cooking blender. This is a blender that not only, mixes your ingredients, but it also cooks. So it has a sauce setting or a soup setting, and that's what I'm going to use today. So the first thing I need to do is I will put these tomatoes, a few at a time, into this hot boiling water, and it makes it easier to peel. So first off, I'm just going to put a little X at the top. And you put it in the water just for a couple minutes, not very long, not even a minute. I'm just gonna put a little slit on each one of these. Ooh, I'm gonna get a serrated knife, works better. Do these little ones. Yep, need a serrated knife.
Up. Why didn't you wake me up?
Well, I was ready to go. So this one you can maybe see that it's pulled away from where I put that X in it. Ooh, it's very hot. And you just pull that skin right off. Ooh.
Okay, do you want me to do it?
It's very hot. I don't want to touch it.
Now we're almost done peeling the tomatoes. We have one boiling. We put them in ice water so they're not as hot for when we have to peel them.
And then the peel just comes right off.
Yeah.
You want to pull that one out and show?
So it should look like this.
Yep. And then the peel just comes right off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. There we go.
We love a Minnie Mouse laugh.
Here we go. And then I'll cut on. Ooh, that's a big, pretty tomato. I would have made a good tomato sandwich. It's heavy. Wow.
But it's also a tomato. It's not like it's royalty.
It's beautiful. All right, so while she's peeling that last one, I'm gonna put these all in our Deluxe cooking blender, just like this. Oops, try not to make a complete mess of my kitchen.
I don't know what that is.
So there is a soup setting. So it's going to pulverize these tomatoes and get all the way up to 212 as far as the cooking temperature. So all I'm gonna do is I put it on that setting, it's preset. So I just press start and it'll go through the cycle. I think it took about 45 minutes to an hour altogether. So we'll be back later. Alright y'all, so our cycle has finished, and I went ahead and put in some one giant pod of garlic in here, and then I also had some, I don't have fresh basil, but I have this dried basil, and it's a basil grinder, so pretty cool. You just turn it upside down and And the basil just grinds up. So I put some of that and a little bit of celery salt. And I just opened the top here. Put the rest of this in here. Put the top back on. I'm gonna mix this up. So all I wanna do, let's see. There we go. I just wanna mix up the garlic. Okay, y'all, we're all done. I've got my grilled cheese ready. I made my soup. Mike's home and he's eating ribs. He don't want any soup. So this was super easy with our fresh tomatoes in our Deluxe cooking blender. It, cooked and pulverized those tomatoes and make it silky smooth. If you don't have a cooking blender, just take your tomatoes in a food processor and make sure you chop them up really well, and then you can just simmer over the stovetop. So with that said, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and press that bell notification. We always appreciate a like and your comments, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, that's good.